Alright guys, so today we're gonna make a plug X new jazz X Jersey club type beat. So I found this vocal I want to sample. You guys might have heard it on TikTok.
Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Not my problem.
Throw it up right here. But yeah, we're gonna sample these vocals, we're gonna flip it and tumble it.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it.
We're gonna make something out of it, you know what I'm saying? So let's go. That's just not my problem. I got this freaking water stain, man. Alright, so basically we're gonna sample this, and you already know how to download it, YouTube MP3. But I already loaded it up, and there's this free website right here. It's called TuneBat, and here you can find like the BPM and the key of whatever. So I already put it in here, B minor, 52 BPM. I'm pretty sure the BPM was wrong, but here, I already got it loaded up. I already split it up, you know what I'm saying?
Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Niggas talking shit, bitches talking shit, it's my problem.
I'm gonna grab this one shot. Go to the envelope, just put this tension up a bit, put the hold up, put this release down. And then the thing said the scale is B. TuneBat said that the scale is B minor, so let's go over here, scale highlighting, set this to B. For the progression, let's try something like this. And basically, I'm just gonna make like minor 7 chords. So if you guys been watching the channel, you already know how to do it. So you're skipping 2 notes that are in your scale. 1, 2, 1, 2. And here we have a G minor 7 chord. Basically just like skipping notes, you know. That's all you gotta do. I'm just gonna hit command up.
Not my problem.
Same thing right here. Let's make a minor 7. You guys know me. I pretty much just spam minor 7 chords.
Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Not my problem, that's just not my problem.
Gotta make this one better.
Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Niggas talking shit, bitches talking shit, it's my problem. Niggas talking shit, bitches talking shit, it's not my problem, my problem. That's not my problem. Problem, not my problem. That's not my problem. That's why I cannot confide in you. Looking within.
Alright, that's cool for the chords. I'm gonna use the same progression here, but just layer it with a different sound. And I like using these VST pianos layered with one shots, because for the VST pianos, when you like lower the velocities, you just make it sound like way more real, you know? Let's try an acoustic piano, why not? Autistic piano. So hold option scroll wheel, put the velocity down. Then I'm just gonna hit option R. And let's just randomize it a bunch. I'm gonna mute this one just so I can like hear what I did. So hit command A to select everything, hit option R.
Not my problem, that's just not my problem. That's not my problem. Not my problem. That's not my problem. That's why I cannot confide in you. Looking within, find sanctuary in my soul too. Now I got the juice, passion fruit and guava juice. Guava juice, mango juice and guava juice. Yeah, my problem. Yeah, that's just not my problem. No, my problem. No, that's just not my problem. Yeah, it's like a shit.
I think let's get another piano, and then I'm just gonna add some like top line notes, and let's get a lead after that, and then let's do the drums, you know what I'm saying? Let's get an E piano. I think that's cool. Gotta make this piano softer. Let's put it to attack. I'm gonna get one more piano layer, but for this one, I'm gonna get like a short piano because this one's like super reverby. I just want another one to like switch in and out once I arrange it, you know? Damn, it's getting so hot in here. What if I just use the strings? Okay, now I want to add a lead. Let's try to do like some new jazz type lead. Grab this one shot. Go over here to the envelope, attack all the way down, hold up, turn this release like that, port on, mono on. And now our lead glides. Okay, now I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like take some of these. So I'm gonna take some of these notes here, something like this, and then paste this into a different sound. So it's like has like a call and response thing kind of going on. It's a bit like OD. Plus I want to change that sound. This one's kind of goated.
Talking shit is my problem. Niggas talking shit. Bitches talking shit is my
like adding saturator to this lead just to make it more like crunchy.
not my problem. That's not my problem.
Add shaper box now. Yeah, whatever. Let's add shaper box.
Problem, my problem. That's not my problem. Problem, my problem. That's not my problem. That's why I cannot confide in you. Looking within for sanctuary in my solitude.
Let's see how those lows. I think for the melody, I'm gonna keep it like this for now, and let's just get started on the drums.
Not my problem. That's just not my problem. Niggas talking shit. Bitches talking shit is my problem. Niggas talking shit. Bitches talking shit is my.
Yeah, I'm still not sure what kind of drums I want to do.
Now I got the juice, passion fruit and guava juice. Guava juice, mango juice and guava juice. Yeah, my problem. Yeah, that's just not my problem. Not my problem. That's just not my problem. Yeah, niggas talking shit. Bitches talking shit is my problem. Niggas talking shit. Bitches talking shit is my problem. My problem. That's not my problem. Problem, my problem. That's not my problem. Problem, my problem. That's not my problem. That's not my problem. When it goes around, it
I'm gonna just layer that clap.
not my problem. That's just not my problem. Not my problem. That's just not my problem. Not my problem. That's just not my problem. Niggas talking shit. Bitches talking shit is my problem. Niggas talking.
Try a different 808.
Not my problem. That's just not my problem.
What do I do with that one though? Yeah, let's get a snare.
Shit is my problem, my problem, my problem. That's not my problem, my problem. That's not my problem.
We just repeat right there.
Shit, it goes up and down, round and round, not my problem. When it goes around, it comes back around, up and down, not my.
Yeah, I don't really know what we're gonna do with that vocal. I think we'll just keep it just for like the intro.
Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Niggas talking shit, bitches talking shit is my problem. Niggas talking shit, bitches talking shit is my problem. My problem, that's not my problem. My problem, that's not my problem. That's why I can fight you. I got the juice, walk with you. Walk with you, walk with you. Yeah, my problem. Yeah, that's just not my problem. No, my problem. That's just not my problem. Yeah, sucking shit. Bitches talking shit is my problem. Bitches talking shit is my problem. My problem. That's just my problem.
Bro, come on. My problem, that's not my problem. My problem, that's not my problem. My problem, that's not my problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. We kind of ended up making like pluggnb X Jersey, kind of. I don't even know what kind of genre this is. If you guys want to comment below, let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want any of my kits, links are down below. I appreciate all you guys. And thank you guys for almost 8K. We're almost there. Road to 10K. We're gonna do some sort of like giveaway or some sort of free kit at 10K. So make sure to hit that subscribe. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.